Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Strapi for no-code app APIs, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Strapi website. Locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click the login button to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. Double-check to ensure that both your email and password are correct. Once confirmed, click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are accurate, you will be redirected to the Strapi dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you registered with. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the different sections such as Content Manager and Settings. To create an API, navigate to the Content Types Builder. Select Create New Collection Type to define your API structure. Fill out the required fields with the relevant information for your API. Click the Save button once you have completed the setup. You can now add content types and customize your API as needed. Take advantage of Strapi's documentation for additional guidance. Remember to log out after your session for security purposes. To log out, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon and select the logout option from the drop-down menu. This concludes the login process to Strapi and the creation of no-code app APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.